Today is special because I have my sister here with me.
Hi, I'm Candace.
And she's going to be helping me put together a few tablescapes. Welcome back, you guys, to my YouTube channel. Today is a special day. As you know, I love the holidays. Well, our family really loves the holidays. And so I just thought it was like the perfect thing to do like a beautiful tablescape and then kind of give some options that you guys can implement at your house as well. Today is such an exciting day, and I've never had anybody on my YouTube channel. It's just been me. You guys have just been hearing me talk. And so my sister is here with me to help me set up these tables for you guys. And our Etsy shop, you want to give a shout out?
Yes, shout out to Candy and Bree on Etsy. We do personalized drinkware and different things like these name cards that you'll see today on our tablescape. So definitely check us out.
Yeah, it's a great way. I just think it's like so nice. Like, you know, when you go to like weddings and like special events, it's personalized. You have like name cards and everything like that. It makes it feel really special. And why can't you do that at your own home when you're hosting? I think it makes your guests feel like, ooh, like she really said. I mean, they just want to come back. Maybe you won't host every year, but people will want you to. So
little things.
Yeah, exactly. So today we'll be creating some fall tablescapes and a Christmas tablescape to hook you up for the holidays. Let's get started.
Cheers.
For the first tablescape, we're going to do a light and airy vibe, with the accent color being sage. Here, I'm fluffing the table runner and prepping it for some golden tablescape candlestick holders. I've staggered them and placed some dark green and variations of ivory so that we can stay in the neutral theme, but really highlight that sage color. Now I'm adding some pottery with some faux foliage and some fluffy pumpkins I picked up from Hobby Lobby. They are so cute and really set the fall festive vibe. I picked up these tasseled boho chic placemats at Hobby Lobby. Now traditionally you would use them in a horizontal way, but I just did the vertical way and let them fall off the table. I think it just made it a little bit unique. What always makes a place setting unique is layers, and really splashes of gold just always brings it up a notch. Make sure to steam your napkins, but just not too much. You want the organic feel. Pull the napkin through the ring and voila. Added these bamboo napkin rings, a nice touch. These boho glasses are perfect for the theme. And last but not least, the perfect touch to any dinner party, personalized name cards. I don't know what it is, but there's something about lighting a candle that gets me all warm and fuzzy. Nonetheless, here's the final look. Boho chic Thanksgiving.
We're collaborating on an Etsy shop, and you'll be able to purchase some of the pieces that we use in today's video so that you can host and really personalize your tables for the holidays.
For our second tablescape, we're going with the traditional terracotta or rusty orange, as you would say, look. I'm staggering the taper candle holders like before and just replacing the green candlesticks with the rust candlesticks. Look at my nephew, he's so silly. And I'm adding back in these fluffy pumpkins, which I love so much, you guys, I cannot get enough of them. As well as the vases, which are so cute. I decided to add some stems and I had to take everything off and replace them, but I just feel like it gave it a more festive look. I'm also using the same placemats that I used in the previous one and wood chargers to give it a layered effect. These plates were probably the highlight. They have like a foil tree on them. I just feel like alongside with these wood utensils, they just really set the tone for fall. Folding the napkin was pretty easy. It's just like a tie knot. I just had to make sure that the rust hem really showed. And these dinner napkins are Nicole Miller. Next, we're gonna add back in our place cards, but to really highlight them, I chose these rust leather pumpkins. They are so cute, you guys. Look how personal and how Thanksgiving-y, is that even a word, this looks. And this is our final look for our second Thanksgiving tablescape. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Christmas is probably my favorite holiday, and I don't necessarily always do the red, green, kind of like traditional look. So I'm mixing it up and making this theme more of like a dark glam type of vibe with my velvet and burgundy reindeers. And like the last two tablescapes, I'm using the gold taper candle holders, but I'm just adding in my maroon candles. I'm layering some black stone plates and saucers. And to glam it up, I'm adding in my gold flatware. To pull back in the traditional burgundy reddish Christmas color, I'm using some satin dinner napkins. To really give that holiday vibe, I'm adding in some berries and some faux pine. Along with the name place cards, it really gives me all the Christmas feels. Lighting the candle for my soul, and this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked all the tablescapes. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and let me know which one you guys preferred. And remember, if you're hosting, you can personalize your holiday this season by picking up these items on our Etsy shop, Candy and Brie. Happy holidays, you guys!
Some designs and different things like drinkware.
Do it again. That was good. That was good. Wailing while you was talking. Okay.
Whatever.